First-person shooter games are very popular. I can sit and play them for hours. Recently, after playing them with friends, I've realized that I really need to practice. Thus, after researching, I have realized that most people practice games in this genre by using aim trainers. There are a lot of aim trainers out there to help me, but the good ones are paid, and the free ones are really bad. I think I found a solution to this dilemma. I need to construct my own aim trainer. As a programmer, this is going to be pretty easy to make. The interesting thing is that, as it's the starting of the year, I'm really busy, thus I only have 2 spare days to make this. I'm also going to make this a bit harder by using the existing game engine and using the Pygame library. Due to my tight schedule, I began right away. I started breaking down what an aim trainer is. An aim trainer is a game that trains a person's reflexes to make them more accustomed to shooter games. They mostly function by creating randomly generated targets to simulate the randomness of most online matches. These targets are needed to be clicked in order to progress the game. Now that I've broken these things down, the development of this game is going to be fairly straightforward. Though, before I continue, I'm going to take a sleep as this is late at night when I was making this. I began day 2 by waking up and deciding to get something to eat. After breakfast, I got a basic to-do list and a simple explanation on how my aim trainer will function. My aim trainer will function by creating randomly generated targets at the bottom of the screen and will proceed upwards. If the targets get to the top of the screen, the player loses a life. When the player loses 3 lives, they lose the game. Once I finished planning, I worked on creating a target class. The target class is an object that has a collider, a position value, and a sprite that I made in Photoshop. After I completed that, I worked on the spawning code. Finally, after adding the targets, I made the targets more interactable and a way to lose the game. The interactivity works by creating by checking if the cursor collides with the targets and also checking if the button is pressed down. This creates the basic game loop. From this point, I worked on polishing everything and adding sound effects from BFXR. I finished the game by adding a main menu and a splash screen. Then, I posted the game on itch for everyone to play, and there I also posted the source code for everyone to download.